Aloha friends, it's Joanna, and this is another kitchen adventure for a quick and easy dinner that uses pre-cooked chicken and a few simple spices. We'll put together some chicken tacos for dinner tonight. Let's go! We're going to start off with our garlic. We're going to take about 2 cloves worth and give that a nice mince. Sometimes I like to squash it to help it along a little more, but oftentimes I'll just use jarred garlic to make this a little simpler. So we'll get that diced up and we'll set that aside. Next, we're going to take about a half of a yellow onion and get that diced up. It doesn't have to be perfect, just cut it nice and small. We're going to get these sauteed together. Now that you've got your onions and garlic diced, we are going to set that aside. And chicken tacos in general, are great because you can add anything you like, whatever your preference is. We're going to use tomatoes, limes, cilantro, and an avocado. You can make this into a salad. So you can have a chicken taco salad. You can do enchiladas. Originally, I had thought about doing enchiladas, but I decided on tacos because you can really individualize it to your preference no matter the group that you have. Now remember, with your limes, be sure to roll it a little so it's better to slice and you can get the juices out much easier. The avocado, this is a firm avocado, which is our preference. It makes it easier to slice into and pull off together. And I saw someone peeling their avocado, so I've actually taken to doing this. Depending on how ripe your avocado is, it will come off either easier or in chunks like this one. This one again is a little firm, so that's why my skin is coming off in pieces, but it makes short work of it and you don't have to scoop it out with a spoon. And then you can either chop it into chunks, or I'm just doing long slices with this, depending on what you are making. And then we're going to chop up some cilantro here. We're just going to take a little bit off and try to avoid the stems as best as possible when you're serving it. We're going to add a little bit of oil to our pan and get that heated. Next, we're going to add our garlic and then our onions, and we'll cook that together for 3 to 4 minutes until it's nice and fragrant. Be sure to stir it so it doesn't burn. Keep it on medium-high, medium temperature. Again, you just want to soften that and merge the flavors. So I took a few leg quarters and cooked it in the air fryer and pulled it apart to use as my pre-cooked chicken. I'm sure you could just cook your chicken also in one pot. I've got a half a teaspoon of cumin, another half a teaspoon of chili powder. Then you can go in and salt and pepper your chicken to taste. Give that a good stir and let that cook for another minute or two. You're just trying to get those flavors to combine really well. We made some tomatillo sauce from our garden a few years ago. We had that canned up nicely. It's the first time I've done it. And we are going to use that in our chicken mixture just to add a little bit of flavor and a little bit of moisture. I add about a quarter cup, half a cup. Just kind of go by eye depending on how much chicken you have. Get that stirred together, heat it through, and that's about it. Your chicken part of your chicken tacos is completed now. Taking a little taste test. So good. And we are ready to put our tacos together. Here we go. These tacos assemble really nicely. So these are just some lovely flour tortillas from our local H-E-B. We'll put our chicken down. Again, you can do whatever you like with your tacos. This is just how we're having it tonight. This is an after work meal that I threw together for our family that everyone can individualize their tacos to their preference. It makes it really nice. You could add sour cream, salsa, more tomatillo sauce, cheese, lettuce, however you'd like it. And of course, a touch of lime to round it all out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Here are your chicken tacos for dinner tonight. So go ahead, make it, eat it, and enjoy. Until next time.